application context. Okay, application context. This is, and we are using Java 8. Okay, that's it. Next. Everyone do the same thing and click on finish. That's it. Now project is ready. Correct? And same how we done here, the same structure we have to take. Infosys or something. What is your company details? SRC, select it, right click on SRC, new. I'm doing take a package. Just to respond, I'm asking, are you doing same way?
Yes, sir.
Then you can give the package name. Some giving the com dot. So I'm giving some TCS dot beam package. Okay. Next package. Configuration package. Com dot TCS dot return config. Next one, client program. I'm creating 3 packages. Com dot TCS dot client. So client program is your testing application through main method, right? So we can take one simple bean class from the previous example. Right. So we're taking which one? Student is a very big one. So this is address. So we can take simple address bean. Just we are calling, right? Simple address. Copy and paste in the bean. So these are the same. Only main method application will change. Next one, configuration one. So configuration file already we have, right? Spring.xml. Copy and paste in the this config folder. So this is and opening, and which is not required, we can remove. This simple date format is not required. Employee is not required. Only we are using address B. This is the address, and this is the package name is TCS. Okay, and the rest of the things is not required. We can simply delete it. Clear? Everything is same. Only the main method will change. Main method logic will change. Correct? Okay, that's it. Okay, next one. Go to the main class, client program. You can create a new class. Class name is test app. We're testing, right? So test app, and which is required, main method is required. Finish it. Right. Then next, which is required, we need to add the jar files. Otherwise, we'll get compile time errors, right? So everyone is done up to here. So select the project, right click, build path, configure build path, and add external jars. Add external jars. And what is the required? Total 6 is required, right? Commons logging, it's a Spring ASM, Spring Bean, Spring Context, Spring Core, Spring Expression, right? These are the 6 jars are required, correct? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Clear? Open. Apply and close. No. So next step is what? We need to read the same file. So same location is there. We can read that one. Okay, this we can take the same path. So we can read that thing directly in which one? Class path application context. Not identified. So we added already just reference to library. Why is not running? Class path resource. Class path. We use class path also. This is a application where we can read directly. We can pass the class path XML. Yeah, now it's loaded. Class path application. Yeah, once the which jars are is loaded, then we can see it. Okay, class path XML application context. Some references context equal to new class path application context, and we can see here how many constructors are there. So this is a default constructor and which is required config location. We can pass these two things. Okay, clear? And where is available our location, we can pass. Are you following? So next I'm writing string config equal to what is the package here? Instead of Infosys, we are taking the TCS, right? Correct. And we are giving this config location. Correct. Now we got it. And whenever this activating, then automatically is what are the beans are there? This already means object is created, right? So how we can say? We can write the one default constructor. So where in our this one. And we can close others, close all tabs. Yes, save. And we can use here address. So you can write the one default constructor. We can prove it whether it is a lazy loading or early loading. Okay, public and constructor, how we can define same as class name and should not have return type, right? Okay, and we are giving services system dot out dot internet. Okay, everything give some messages. Object is created. And come back to this our test tab. So we can test now. Now at the time of this one, no need to invoke which call the get bean, right? So we'll test whether the object is created or not. Yeah, object is created, right? Yes, sir. And it's called early loading. So at the time of reading configuration, what are the beans are there? All the beans will create the object here. Next one, we can call the context dot get bean. So get bean, see here how many methods are there with the get bean. We are giving the, what is that, bean ID plus class type, right? we can use this secondary. So what is the bean ID? So address object right here in configuration, test tag and spring.xml. This is the address OBJ. Same bean ID we need to call here, correct? Then what is the class here? Address class. Address.class. Then no need to do the typecasting, correct? And we can save into the address object. Are you following? Now we can call, we have all setters and getters, right? Here setter injection we are implemented, correct? So this is a which injection? Property tag. Property tag means setter injection. Constructor -arg means constructor injection, correct? So now we are able to access those things. System.out. And we can call this details. Address dot get city, some space, place, address dot get pin code, address dot get state. Save. Now it's visible, right, everyone? And test this application. Now we're accessing, right? It's clear, right?
Yes, sir.
How many you are executed? How many executed same thing? Yes, Rinus, have you executed?
Oh, yeah. Doing, sir, doing.
Share your screen. Maximize, we can see your screen. Just you can copy, the previous application is there, right? Spring.xml file. Open spring.xml file in application context. Just copy, everything copy and paste here, then later remove whatever is not required. Control A, Control C. Control C, and open your Control A, Control V. Remove this one, yes. To maximize, we can remove or it is not required. The simple date formatter, all these things. Means 41 outside, yes. First one. Yeah, perfect. Remove these spaces, 7, 8, 9, 10 lines. Yes, perfect. Okay, save. Control S, you save it, spring.xml. So everyone is following. So yes, Srinivas have done many examples. Good. Next, open the test tab. Bean class is ready. Where is the bean? Why you are adding for everything bean? This is bean is for only one class. Package com.tcs bean client config. Why are giving bean every time? Already existed. So cancel this one and rename those things. Cancel. Click on cancel. Just select on this first package com.tcs bean client. Right click. Rename. Refactor. Rename. Remove bean. Just this client only, right? Remove bean. That's it. Like second one, config. Second package also you can change. Config. Refactor. Rename. Remove the bean. Everyone, don't see like do your in system so that you will get to know. Now the package is allowed com.tcs.bean. The bean means is a bean related packages only, right? Not others. And you can copy address in the below one in bean. Yes, copy. It's Control C, Control V. Use such keyboard. Control V. Expand. Yes. Open that. Add one a default constructor. Add one default constructor after state. Enter. Again enter. Yeah. Create. It's default one, right? No parameters. This select all. Not a parameter is not required. Just simple. Just you can type this. Can remove these parameters. Line number 27. It's okay. Wherever you're writing, no problem. Okay, but it should be order. It should be after variable declaration. Same as class name, should not have return type. That is called constructor. Class name, not class. Class name is what? Address. Don't forget basics. Closure. Parenthesis. How you define the constructor? And there you can write the system.out.println. It gives some message there, system double quotes. Object is created. Save. Open the test tab. You can give the location in a class path application. You can declare it line number 7. Line number, go to line number 7 and the string config location equal to string. Yes, capital. String data type. Config location. Just you can give config. Equals. You can copy from the previous application. Line number 20. Just double quotes. Just copy from double quotes, not entire. So instead of infi, you can add TCS. Wait, your package name is different. Now this config you can pass at line number 8. Parameterizer constructor. And you can pass class path of no, just config. Already string you define, right? That variable name you have to pass here. Config. And then save and execute. So here it's not waiting for to call the getBean method, right? At the time of reading the XML file, and in that XML, what are the beans are there? All beans are injected. TCS. Oh, you have to change that package name. Open that address.java. Here, the beside that tab. Yes. And the spring.xml, spring.xml, and change the infi, line number 8. TCS. Save. And run the test tab. So guys, understood? So while developing application only, you can get the more experience. And no need to read the theory as well. We'll get many exceptions we are fixing on it, and that is enough. So what is that class now? Okay, did you add these jars? Did you add this downloaded jars?
Yes, sir. Add.
Okay, just open the Eclipse, expand this reference libraries, the below one, yeah, reference library. Commons login, ASM, beans, context, core expression, yeah, perfect. Maximize this console. No, this console is something got error, right? No class type found errors. Class not found exception. Property type is good. Scroll up, scroll up, scroll up. Bean creation, yeah. Here exception in main, right? Bean creation, just scroll to right side. Scroll to right side. The down is there. Hide this. Click on hide. No, click on hide. Here down bottom is there. Stop sharing. Hide.
Stop sharing.
No, hide. Click on hide, and now this is scroll bar is there, right, in the bottom. Yes. Move to right side. Yeah. Move to right side and go up that main exception. Scroll up. Enough. Yeah, error creating the bean name with address defined in the class path. Just understood the problem?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And config. Why be? The package name is config, right?
Yes,
Error creating the bean with the name address defined in the class path resource com TCS config spring. Just move to this right side in the console. The bottom is there, right? Scroll bar. Initialization of being failed. Nested exception is java.lang.no class left found error. That class is not loading. Address class. Spin code. Okay. So go open that address.java. You're giving the same. This has been same. Package name. Public. Yeah, everything is same. Come down. Something you are added anything? No, right. Okay, then open the spring.xml. See how see the experience. While explaining the in classroom example is very easy. While trying, you get the problem, right?
Yes.
And you scroll up some little bit. Yeah, beans is there. Yeah. Why this line is not? You can remove that line, first one. That commented line is enabled above one. That commented above is
No, sir. It is not.
schema location. Okay. Beans, bean ID. Okay, okay. Address you are giving. Yeah. Bean ID address class equal to address. Correct. Property bean close and beans close. Yeah, perfect. Lines beans not connected. What I have done mistakes. Ram dot thesis. Any spelling mistake you can check.
Yes, sir.
DE. Sometimes the spelling mistake also is not ADDRESS. Yes, is correct. And check this properties. City name is same in the config file.
Yes.
Mapping.
Yes. Okay.
Just open XML file and check the properties. Is map character name are there, city, pin code, and state. Same thing is there in the other.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Scroll up.
City pin code state.
Correct. And yeah, perfect. Okay, then open this desktop once again. And which package is imported? Yeah, correct. Application context is imported, same thing. Valid. Class path XML application context. Okay. Once again I run. Object is creating and again is getting some errors.
Object is created.
Default. Okay. So you can call getBin. We'll check. And you know, right, already this time we're pinging here. Just copy paste this. Copy these two lines and add this. Others down. Next line also. Next line also. Two lines. System.out.py also you can do. Control C. There control. And import address. Import address class. CTX. You given CTX. Just save and run it. Scroll up. These values are getting or not? Not get it. Error create. This is there, right? Read this main thread. Error creating the bean with a name address. Address bean ID. Scroll to right side. Little bit slowly. Bean with address. Define ADDRES. The class. Non-business control. Like initialization of bean failed. Nested exception. This Java.lambda no. Maybe this file is, I think it's not loaded properly. So just open this address.java and we can rewrite once. Copy paste sometimes it won't execute. Scroll up, yes, you remove the practice everything. Yeah, please come to state. Next open is spring.xml. You can give like address one, ID equal to save, and there you can use this address ID, main class. Try this one different bean ID. Same error. So better you can this restart Eclipse and we can rerun.
Yes, sir.
And others, anybody executed? Yeah, COVID. Are you following the same thing? COVID, Puja, you are looking for interview, right? Are you executing every day?
Yes, sir. We are doing this daily.
Next. Yeah, are you able to execute this application? Today's one?
I'm getting the same issue what Srinivas is getting.
Can you share your screen? Let me check in our system.
Yeah, sure.
Are you using same JDK 8 only, right?
Yes.
Once share your screen, please.
Sure, sir.
Same code.
Just a second.
So just open spring.xml. com.bean. Yes, your package name is same. Okay, com.bean. Address. Okay, open address.java. These are two things you can write at last.
It is auto-generated, so it has come up.
Just, okay, as per order, we are first to write these variables.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Just remove. We are not using a toString. We have a setter method, right? Okay, no problem. Later we'll add it once this execution is done. And this default constructor, we should add the public here. And that should be added at line number 10. Select Control X. Control X. Control X. Why there? Not required. Save. And what is the package? Com.net. Yeah. And this is perfect. And open this spring.xml. Close the all tabs. Right click. Many tabs are there. Maybe you will get in. Close all tabs. So your project is application context demo. Here is 1.8. Okay, bean is ready. And class path is imported, means your jar is identifying. Yes. Okay. Yes, just here config/spring.xml is valid. The same package name.
Oh,
Here,
yes.
then just run once. Config. Okay. Check any spelling mistakes. So object is creating and again is we can see last message. Last not found exception. Property descriptor unknown source. Somewhere is line number 11. Okay. So better what you do, ADDR, error creating the bean with the ADDR, define the class point or root of. So better you can use some other class. You can write how to bean creation. You can take another bean class and add here.
Okay.
Sometime you was not updating your system. Java, new class.
Just a second. So you want me to create another bean here?
Yes,
Other.
yes. Instead of address class, you can take some student class and same thing you can set write setters and getters.
Okay.
Student. And you can take some ID name, only 2 properties enough.
Yeah.
You can just that is also enough. Just we can test. Generate setters and getters, right click. Select all. Yeah. Okay. Open the spring.xml. Remove this bean ID and you can write the your student name. The line number 8 you can change.
Okay. Should I edit this or create a new bean?
But your wish, which is you comfortable. And let's remove that one above 8 to 12 line number. Students. Just line number 15 is enough, one thing.
Yeah.
Property name is name. So we can give the name. Save. And student.java also you can save. That file is not saved. Student.java. Save. Test tab. Run this one. Change this address.class and the student. And import student. Student.get name you can call. Get name. Save and run it. Or don't use that way. The execution is don't use. Just in the current class, right click. Sometimes other class is loading. Here, right click on the main class. Run as. So mirror, scroll here. Maximize this console.
Your same issue.
Same issue. Scroll up. Main. Now is identified student is error creating the bean creation exception. Once you restart this Eclipse, one option is there. File, in that file option, restart and do it. It may work. Okay, restart. The cache will already gone and will update it. Okay, we'll continue tomorrow. Next, auto wiring, how to do auto wiring and all it. Okay, and everyone should practice. We'll get to resolve all the issues. And we have a website is there for this type of you know, right? Already I said stackoverflow.com, right? And copy this error and paste in the Stack Overflow. You can get plenty of answers, and you can go through that. In real time, also everyone doing same. If any exception is occurred, we go through this which one? Stack Overflow, and there we are pasting that our error, and we'll get some suitable answers. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Any questions? Any other questions? Yeah, if no questions, we can wind up the session. We will continue. We'll okay, then.